This video shows how to use Wi-Fi Water Leak Sensor. First, you can bind the Wi-Fi Water Leak Sensor to TuyaSmart app. Before configuring the network for the Wi-Fi Water Leak Sensor, please check the following settings. 1. The mobile phone needs to be connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi because TuyaSmart devices do not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It is recommended to turn off the Smart Connect function of the router. Rename the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi respectively, and then connect the mobile phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. 2. Turn on the Bluetooth function of the mobile phone, which can enhance the app's ability to search for nearby devices. 3. In mobile phone privacy settings, location permission must be turned on and authorized to TuyaSmart app. Now we configure the network for the device. There are 3 ways to configure the network for the device: Bluetooth mode, Easy mode, and AP mode. First, I need to open the casing of the device. Install to AA batteries. Hold down the reset button and wait until its indicator light blinks. Note that the indicator light blinks at 2 frequencies. One is blinking twice within 1 second, which is blinking quickly. One is to blink once in 2 seconds, which is blinking slowly. Bluetooth mode configuration network. After the device's indicator light blinks quickly, then operate on the app. Click the Add button in the upper right corner to add devices. Then wait for Discovery devices to appear, and then click Add. At this time, you need to confirm the connected Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and click Next. Okay, it is successfully bound to the app. We click Done. Easy Mode Configuration Network. After the device's indicator light blinks quickly, then operate on the app. Click the Add button in the upper right corner to add devices. Select Sensor on the left, then select Sensor Wi-Fi on the right. At this time, you need to confirm the connected Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and click Next. Click Confirm the indicator is blinking. Select Blink quickly. Okay, it is successfully bound to the app. We click Done. AP Mode Network Configuration. After the device's indicator light blinks quickly, press and hold the reset button again. Wait until its indicator light blinks slowly, and then operate on the app. Click the Add button in the upper right corner to add devices. Select Sensor on the left, then select Sensor Wi-Fi on the right. At this time, you need to confirm the connected Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and click Next. Click Confirm the indicator is blinking. Select Blink slowly. For this method, we need to let the phone connect to the AP hotspot transmitted by the device and click Go to connect. In the phone settings, WLA and Wi-Fi, then let the phone connect to the AP hotspot of Smart Life, XXXX, and then return to TuyaSmart app. Okay, it is successfully bound to the app. We click Done. How to use Wi-Fi Water Leak Sensor. You can place the Wi-Fi Water Leak Sensor in these places. Dimensions of Wi-Fi Water Leak Sensor. The length is 65 millimeters. The width is 65 millimeters. And the height is 28 millimeters. Viewed from the front, it is equivalent to 1/2 the size of an iPhone 7. Its alarm volume exceeds 110 decibels. How to install Wi-Fi water leak sensor. 1. Insert the external probe and then use the provided screws to fix the pothead to the back of the sensor. 2. Then hang the sensor on the nail. 3. Use stickers to fix the external probe to the water level that requires warning. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.